really hurt. I'm gonna go get some of my friends. Let's go. Oh, it's bright day. It's bright night. Oh, hey. Hi. Are you tired? Yeah. Oh, let's go see Naked Girl with only underwear on. She's in this bin. She sleeps in a bin because she's scared every night. Here, hold on. She's here. She's here. That's not Naked Girl. That's totally Naked Girl. Here's Naked Girl. Let me get here. Oh. Oh my. Totally Naked Girl. You're not fitting. What's wrong now? Oh. Okay. Hey, it's Naked Girl. Please don't pull my underwear down. I'm scared. I have pretty hair, don't I? And I have pretty panties. Eee. I got pretty panties. I got pretty panties. Aren't they so pretty? I love my panties.